Melissa.
And Jared.
And we're the Parkhopbears.
And we're here at EPCOT for the Flower and Garden Festival.
Yay!
Yay! We're actually at one of the things right now. It's the Purple Martins Trail. That's a bird. Yay!
This is not one.
There he is. There it is. There's the bird.
I think he's the wrong bird.
Isn't that it?
I don't know.
That's not it?
Is this it?
No, that's not it. Okay.
We're gonna go look around.
Let's go check it out.
Yay!
Yay! Okay, so this is the Caribé Strawberry Rosé Hard Cider at the Odyssey building.
You like it?
Yeah, no, it's good.
Is it
It's fun.
refreshing? Or?
Yeah, no, it is.
How much was it?
$4.50.
Cool.
No, it's really good. I really like that one. It's nice and light. I don't know.
Cool.
It's hot outside, so it's really good. I like it.
Wow.
Frushi.
Frushi.
I don't remember it looking like this actually.
Yeah, it looks different. No, you're...
Frushi.
So we got the Frushi from Hanami in Japan Pavilion. We got it last year.
Looks a little different to me.
Yeah, it looks a little different than last year. Last year it was our favorite thing we got, I think.
Yeah. Still might be, but we'll see.
Still, yeah. I don't remember there being this much whipped cream.
Yeah.
Maybe it was on the side.
No.
This one doesn't have...
No.
Does
No.
only one of them have strawberry? Or am I... Oh, there it is. It's like kind of hidden in
One of them
there.
doesn't have much though.
Yeah. That's a little bummer.
Hmm.
Do I take the strawberry one
Yeah,
or do
go
you
ahead.
want that one?
No, no, you take it. It's fine.
I'm going to take a little bit of this stuff on it. Alright.
Yay.
Here we go.
Yay.
Yay. I actually like the whipped cream.
Oh, okay, cool.
It's got the dressing on its nice.
Cool.
Korg is eating some. Look, it's hidden Mickey now. No, don't get dirty. Okay,
Okay, he enjoyed it.
that's good.
It's good, but it's not as good as last time.
Yeah, I do feel like for some reason last time was a little better. Did you get strawberry in yours?
A little bit.
Okay. Yeah. Still good, but
Not like my favorite.
not, yeah. Okay. So not bad, but I think we enjoyed it better last year. What does Porg think? I think he still likes it. Yay! And we got a chauffeur hopper from the German Pavilion, not part of the flower garden, but we usually get one.
He can't get any.
Oh no, that's a little sad. That's very sad. Poor Porg.
Oh well.
Okay, don't try to show your face in it. I think he got some.
Beef tips.
Beef
I don't know.
tenderloin from the
Northern Bloom
stand.
in Canada.
I
Northern
like
Bloom
the
in
little,
Canada.
little carrot.
This is the popcorn maple shake with Crown Royal,
Cool.
Canadian whiskey.
I'm gonna try this first.
There you go, Northern Bloom.
It's a little pinker than I like, but it's kind of tough. I did have pretty good steak earlier, so
Yeah.
yeah. I like my meat well done, so it's a little under for me. Okay. I feel like it's been better.
Yeah. Didn't look that amazing when they pulled it out.
Yeah. It's kind of cold, too. Not my favorite.
I'll wash it down with this.
No, I don't. Can I just tip it?
Wow.
Alright, is that like the shot on the top? Or?
Yeah, she put it in first, but then it kind of floats up. 2 thumbs down.
Yeah, not my favorite. Definitely the shots on top though.
Root. They don't have straws.
Okay.
You can ask, they don't have them, and then they'll tell you to go to Joffrey's if you want a paper straw.
Okay. Yeah. That one's kind of hard to...
Yeah, I don't understand how to drink without the straw. We'll figure it out.
Okay, so Jared's gonna give it a try. I gave it a little bit of thumbs down, but maybe you'll like it though.
Thumbs down.
Yeah.
Bears going under the table right now.
Oh yeah, I think there's a duck.
It's like a parade of bears.
Ah.
Be careful for them. They're yelling at me. They're saying, get out of my way. Oh. No.
No. No? Bad? I don't know what it is. I don't really like it.
It's not even just the food temperature. It's like the seasoning.
Yeah, it's not my favorite. Oh yeah, here. Maybe you'll like this better than I did. Oh, you stirred it in. Okay, so maybe it'll taste better.
Try some of the popcorn here.
How's it?
They're like the Crown Royal. Just, I don't know.
It's too messy without the straw.
Yeah.
And it's really liquidy. Is the whole thing liquidy?
Yeah, pretty much.
Yeah. Like that's supposed to be a milkshake, but it looks like liquid.
Yeah.
Like no thickness to it. Yeah, I think.
No, it's a little better if you don't eat any of the popcorn with it.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, skip all of the popcorn.
But it just looks like milk. It doesn't look like a milkshake.
Well, that Crown Royal melted it all.
Okay.
It's like, you know what? It's not that bad.
It's not that bad. Okay, so kind of thumbs down on the beef. Mixed reviews on the milkshake.
I'll finish it, so I'll say it's okay.
Okay.
I'll give it a thumbs up.
I say thumbs down to both.
Yay, cotton candy! Yay!
It's so pretty, I don't want to eat it.
Hi!
So we're back home. We had a fun time at EPCOT's Flower and Garden Festival. We thought we'd tell you guys what our favorites were from the things we tried. We didn't actually try as many items this time. I think we kind of just explored a little more and just looked at the topiaries around the park.
It's always the prettiest time of year at EPCOT.
Yeah.
So we definitely took a look at the topiaries. We went around and we did like our favorites. I know the Frushi is always a favorite of ours at the Japan Pavilion. It wasn't our favorite this time, but I think we just got one that the strawberry wasn't quite as good on or something.
Right.
So it was just like a little.
I would still get it again.
Yeah, no, it totally still one of our favorites, but this time it wasn't necessarily our favorite.
Yeah, I think the most exciting thing we tried was the cotton candy.
Yeah, the cotton candy was really cool.
I'm still not quite sure if it's only there during Flower and Garden or not.
Yeah.
But it does seem to match the Flower and Garden theme. But I was really glad we tried that.
Yeah, that was really good.
Pretty. We have a separate video showing you more of that, so make sure you check that out. We'll put that in the description below. And yeah, I think my favorite thing about the whole festival was probably the new Muppet topiaries they had.
Oh yeah, the Miss Piggy and the Kermit the Frog in France. Those were really cool.
Yeah, I was really excited about those. Yeah, so that would probably be my favorite overall.
Yeah, and I did the maple shake with the Crown Royal whiskey in it in Canada. That one wasn't that great, but it's still, I seem to get it every time. It's just one of those things that I always like.
We hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please make sure to give it a thumbs up. And let us know what you like about the Flower and Garden Festival in the comments below. And if you haven't already, please subscribe to our channel. We do post lots of Disney videos and travel videos, so make sure you click subscribe. Thanks for watching!
Bye.